Hey, we're at Ramone's Speed Shop, just dropping the car off to get 2 new rear torsion springs put on. Our last ones rode us 700 miles on broken torsion housing, so we don't want to take a chance, and we're putting in new rear torsion springs. Also adjusting our stiffness as the course has changed.
You want to push the brake lobby?
Okay, pump it again. Pump 3 times and hold it.
Pump. It's extremely spongy brakes right now. And I don't know why.
We're back here at Ramone's Speed Shop, Ensenada, Mexico. Took the car for a shakedown last night. Discovered we had no brakes. The car handled like garbage. We had new torsion springs put in last night. Adjusted the car height, getting the brakes fixed now. We're going to take it out for another shakedown. Hopefully get the handling component of the car figured out and get some brakes in the car. But we got lots of time. It's 2 days before the race, so we'll see how it goes. Well, we just took the car for a shakedown on the streets of Ensenada, and the dual stage master cylinder is not working. I'd rather go with the single stage.
It's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We spent the entire day here working on the Baja. Had a few issues to take care of, which kind of led to another and another and another. We've managed to weld up the chassis. There was a bunch of breaks and cracks throughout. We've replaced the master cylinder, done a number of other things that we didn't expect to have to do, but we're now going to load it up and head back to register.